It's the first bit of pussy you've got in a few months, isn't it, Will?
Oh, oh! I love you. Kiki. Nice one. Nice one.
Nice, isn't it, that cat? That's the one that always comes back.
Oh, nothing to say.
Huh?
Oh. Don't, James. Oh, James, no, stop. No, stop. Stop, please.
Where are you going?
You little fucker.
Where the fuck are you off? Shall I start filming now?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Honestly?
Sure, yeah.
Well, if you throw up in my toilet, I'll kill you. Listen. What the fuck, Will? What the fuck are you
What are
doing?
you filming? You can laugh.
Huh?
Yeah.
Fuck us.
Fuck.
Oh, Will, get your fucking finger out of that, you dirty fucker. You dirty little bastard. You're breaking it up for it? Oh, you gotta suck it off your finger now.
Yeah, I'm breaking it.
Lick it off your finger then. It's only tuna. Well, I'm sure it can fucking manage. It's a stray cat. Well, it's looking at you as if, so what the fuck are you doing? Bedtime.
Sorry. So you've had cats out. Come on, come on.
Huh? Will you? When you go through that fucking chair, I just let it crack. Will. Will. Elton. Plenty of stray cats around your place.
Alright. Hang on. You're alright.
What are you doing?
Last feature. Oh, you mother... Whatever. Whatever.
Will. Will.
What?
Bedtime.
Yeah, I know.
Go to bed.
Yeah, I'm going.
Fuck off.
I'm going. I know.
See, even the cat's saying it's time to go to bed. Honey puss. Bedtime, Billy boy. One more drink.
No, I'm going.
Please, one more drink. Fuck yeah. I love you. Say it. I love you.
I love you, James.
Not me.
Oh, sorry.
The Filipino girl.
Oh, dude.
What do you think to Joy? Tell me about Joy. Will, tell me about Joy.
I'm way too drunk.
Tell me about Joy. What do you think of Joy? Tell me about her. Tell me.
I'm way too drunk.
Tell me. What do you think to her?
I'm way too drunk.
What do you think to Joy, Will?
I'm way too drunk. Can I take my DVD back home?
You can if you like.
Is that alright?
I don't think you're in a fit state to have a wank.
No.
Yeah, I think that's best. Where are you going now? Will! It's bedtime.
I'm going.
And I'll see you in about 2 days when you've got over your hangover.
Alright.
Good night, Will. Good night, Will.
Nice one, brother.
See you in the morning, you cunt. You twat. You twat. Just
Massive.
guy, isn't it?
It's a big one. Ooh, it's a big one. Yeah, you know it is.
Turn around, Will.
It's scary.
Turn around. Just where he likes it.
Big one. Alright.
See you in the morning.
Later.
Fuck me.